Hello, welcome. Join me as we provide answer to this question as episode 40 under momentum and what? Impulse. So a body of mass 3 kg traveling with a speed of 5 meters per second is acted upon by a force of 10 Newton for 0.3 seconds if in the direction of the motion. So what is the final velocity of the body? So we have the mass, the initial velocity, the force, the time, and final velocity. So in this case, let's deal with impulse. Impulse is Ft equals to m into bracket v minus what? U. Initial velocity, final mass, force times what? Time. So from here, we know the force is 10 Newton. The time is 0.3 seconds. We also know the initial velocity of 5 meter per what? Second. So we just substitute and get the impulse as 10 times 0.3 equals to the mass of the body. I think that's what we're looking for. Okay, the mass of the body is also given as what? 3 kg into bracket final velocity is unknown minus initial velocity of what? 5. So this is what we have. Let's multiply this. I think this will be 3, right? So 3 is equals to, let's still maintain 3v minus what? 5. Divide both sides by 3. I should be having 3 on 3, 3v minus 5 on 3, 1 equals to v minus what? 5. So we are bringing this in here as 1 plus 5 equals to v. So v becomes 6 meter per what? Second. So we can say that the final velocity is going to be 6 meter per second. And I believe the concept is clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.